Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at unboxing of Samsung UV sterilizer with wireless charging. Let me quickly show you around the box. So this is designed for Samsung. Basically it's not like a Samsung product. It is manufactured by a third-party company but sold through Samsung. So it comes with warranty 6 months. So they claim that it kills up to 99% of bacteria and it has like spacious design. We'll come to that part later. So the price is around 3,999 and there is some description here. Let's quickly look at the product features. So this comes with a UVC lamp which is used for killing the bacteria, and we can use this to sterilize phone, Galaxy Buds, watch, etc. Even we can use this for sterilizing specs, and they say that we have to keep it for 10 minutes, and it supports wireless charging, and both Android and iOS are supported. Let's quickly look at the product specification. So for input they have mentioned that 9 volt 2 ampere or 5 volt 2.1 ampere, and the charging wireless charging power is 10 watt, and sterilization time is 10 minutes, and efficiency is 99%, considering we keep it for 10 minutes. So let's have a look at the contents. So this comes with a UV sterilizer, the main component of this package, with wireless charging of course, and user manual is there, and the type C cable is there. Sadly they didn't mention anything about the power adapter. Let's see it later. So it says made in China. Let's open this. So this is how it looks like inside. So with the logo UV sterilizer. Let's take it out. So it has a button here, and the USB type C port is here. Let's see what is there. So the same thing is mentioned here. Input rating is 9 volt 2 ampere and 5 volt 2.1 ampere. So let's see inside. So they have a user manual, and I think the cable is inside this type C cable. So let's see it later. So it says that wireless charger, and I think one lamp is here. So another lamp is here, and I think there's kind of a magnet in here, because when we close I can feel the magnetic effect there. So let's see the cable. So let's open it. So here's the type C cable. Let me quickly connect this. For this I'm using my Samsung charger, which has similar rating, 5 volt 2 ampere, wherein it was mentioned 5 volt 2.1 ampere. I think it should be fine. Let me connect this. Yeah, phone box inside. Let me quickly turn this on. So when I turned on, we heard a beep. So when it is the 10 minutes timer is going off, so we'll hear two beeps stating that the process is complete. Also in between, if we want to stop the process, we can press the button again. In this case also we'll hear two beeps, and now we are good to open this and take our item outside. And so let me keep it for 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
So we just hear the two beeps, so I think the process is complete now. So it is sterilized completely, and we can take it out now. So now it is, I don't see any heat or something, so but I do smell a little bit a weird smell. Okay, so let's see how the wireless charging works. So let me place the mobile, and now the wireless charging has started. So they say that even when the mobile is getting sterilized, the wireless charging will be working, and once the 10 minutes timer is going off and the sterilization is complete, even then the wireless charging will continue until your mobile reaches 100% of charge. So I think that's a good thing. So you can keep it closed and open whatever way you want, so the wireless charging will continue. So what they say is it's better to sterilize both the side of mobile. If the mobile area is very large, like this is the S9 mobile. So what I will suggest is first sterilize the back side, and then front side like this, so that it will continue charging while it is sterilizing, and you can leave it like that for like an hour or something, and later you can come and take the mobile whenever you want. So that way it will be still charging. So that's about it. So if you guys have any clarification or doubt, please put in the comment section. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.